One of the great things about spreadsheets and when you set them up in Excel is once you've done all the formatting and you've got a spreadsheet looking exactly how you want it to, and you want to duplicate it so you don't have to redo all this formatting. A lot of people will highlight their data and do a straight copy and paste, or click the icon just above here to select the entire worksheet. A far easier way is to go down to the Worksheet tab at the bottom of the screen, hold down the Control key on the keyboard. Now as you do that, you'll notice there's a tiny piece of paper with a plus on it and a little downwards pointing arrow. Now the downwards pointing arrow is suggesting wherever you release your Control and the mouse key is where it will drop a duplicate. So all I'm going to do here is let go of the mouse and then let go of Control, and that creates an exact duplicate of that original worksheet. This is really handy because instead of having to recreate everything including the formatting, I can simply make changes, remove the data from here, and as soon as the new data comes in, I can type it in and all of our formulas will automatically populate. So that's working smarter and not harder with Excel.